giving him hugs, Keith. Bedhead. Good morning.
Bedhead.
You know what bedhead is? What is bedhead? It's the back of your hair. What it looks like from sleeping on it. Oh, good morning. Oh, do you love your brother, Keith?
Guy taking my finger.
He's gonna take your finger.
Yes, he will. Big giant.
Cameron, is your brother a giant?
Cameron said, yeah, do.
Aww, big hugs. I think Cameron says, "Get me out of here, Mama." Aww, he likes your big hugs. Oh. The lion is roaring. He's ready to get out. His pajamas? Yes.
Okay, baby, we'll be today. Look, he's a giant.
You guys be gentle. Oh, is that your blanket, Cameron? Cameron, you always like to chew on your blanket.
What?
He likes to chew on his blanket. Keith, are you teasing him? Be careful. Hi. It's a baby. Cameron, is your brother funny? Hi. Okay, let's get out. Say good morning. Goodbye.
Good morning. Good.
Bye-bye. Good job. Bye-bye. Good job. Cameron said bye-bye and he waved. Bye-bye. Good job.